Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Travis Scott in the song Dumbo off this new JACKBOYS2 album. And this one people have been asking for a while, and it's probably the most complicated out of all the JACKBOYS2 presets. There is so much going on here, but I'm gonna break it all down for you and try to make it simple. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna quit yapping. You guys don't want to hear me yap, so I'm gonna play Dumbo by Travis Scott.
Let's go. Can't nobody pop it like I do. Pop it to her, drop like I do. Body on the 7 like I do. 7. Can she slim, she hot you. Let's go. Still tuck open, they try you. Big coat, then I buy you. That skin cut out of the bayou. That oyster right on the thigh. Waist that marble right on the thigh. Waist. That body too great. That private, then I fly you. That whole fit, then I style you. Go deep, it's been a while.
So yeah, that was Travis Scott's song Dumbo, and now I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals as always, and this is a lot of presets to turn off. Okay, I'm gonna go to the part that probably sounds the worst, so prepare your ears.
Can't nobody pop it like I do. Pop it to and drop like I do. Body in the 7 like I do. 7. Can't she slim, she hot you. Let's go.
Okay. Real quick, I'm also going to show you guys this part because this is like the singing part of the song, and I just want to show you guys like what the presets are doing to my raw vocals.
It's not, you get wasted, just don't waste mine. You get wasted, just don't waste mine.
Also, this is my first time hearing the song when I went to record it, so the reason it's like choppy and I did it in a bunch of different takes instead of just doing one take is because I kept messing up the melody, but the preset covers it pretty well, so that also goes to show if you guys can't get perfect vocal takes, you can just like chop it up and the preset will cover all those little impurities that you heard. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna turn on all these presets and show you guys what these presets sound like.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's what all those presets sound like. If you guys want those free presets, all 8 of these presets will be in the Discord. The only preset that isn't free is this master preset, which again I did use my best waves master, which is $10 on my website BNVLNT.shop. But if you guys would rather get this whole FLP set up with all of these presets already linked and everything, that way you guys could like see for yourself what's actually going on and break it down and see my raw vocals and everything, you guys can go buy that for $15 on my website. It'll also come with a template with everything set up, that way you don't have to touch anything, you can just record in it, as well as my best waves master preset and the best stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have waves plugins. So yeah, all of that will be $15 on my website. But if you guys want to spend a little bit more, you can go ahead and buy the JACKBOYS2 preset pack, which will come with the Travis Scott, Sofego, Don Toliver, Future, and Playboy Cardi FLPs, as well as everything else I previously mentioned. But if you guys just want the free presets, that's completely fine. All you have to do is go to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and then all of the Travis Scott presets will be right here, and then all of the other JACKBOYS2 presets I did will be right above it. And if you scroll up past those, there's hundreds of free presets you guys can use. So yeah, go download those presets and make some good music. But yeah, now that you guys know where to get the free presets, I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do when you drag them in. So there's a lot going on, I'm not gonna lie, but first you have the main, and then you have a reverb bus, a delay bus, and another delay bus. And essentially the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the main, and you want to click these little arrows down here, like that, it'll pop up with these knobs, and they'll probably be at 100% when you drag them in, so they'll probably look like this. But you want them to look like this. So I have mine set to 33%, 25%, and 74%. And you guys can see that at the top left corner of the screen in that little panel up there. You guys don't have to keep the exact same settings as mine. You can play around with these reverbs and delays and make it sound however you want it to sound. And then if we go over here to this Travis ad-lib, it doesn't have reverb on the ad-lib, so I put reverb on it by sending it to this reverb, and I sent it at 68%. And then this Hachu ad-lib, I wanted some reverb on it, so I put it at 62% going into the main reverb bus. And then for this fast background delay right here, this one's a little weird. It's essentially just this delay bus with like some different settings. And what I did is I actually opened up the delay, and I right clicked on this wet knob and click create automation clip. And then what I did, essentially when you automate the input like that, you're able to control exactly which words are being repeated. So if you wanted this word to be repeated, which is right, you just go in here like this, and you would make it where this is up only on that word, and you'll hear it, it only delays that word. And this delay kind of lasts forever, but it's just to get that sound that he has on these whisper parts at the end.
Oh, trying to go get that flight, trying to get home, trying to get right back home. Now they gonna get me hype.
That's what this automation clip is for. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is my auto-tune settings like always. So this song is in the key of C minor, and I used a retune speed of 2 and a humanize of 19, and I used the same auto-tune settings on all of these presets. The only other plugin that I use that isn't stock is Fresh Air, and Fresh Air is a completely free plugin made by Slate Digital. All you have to do is sign up for an account with them and download the plugin. So I'll leave that linked in the description for you guys too. But yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. So if it helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artists you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.
Turn it down.